Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get legendary items in Eatventure. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see in the you will be able to see on the top left corner there will be a box that will appear. So you can click on that, or you can just go to their profile here, and as you can see I have many legendary items here. So you can either go to the shop option and buy this big box here, and hopefully you will get a legendary item in here. So it's a common, rare, epic. If you have enough gems, you can go ahead and buy it. You have to keep checking it, or you can just play the game. And as you can see, I have many legendary items here. You just need to forge it. So you have to keep playing the game, and if you have gems you can just go through the shop and buy it through the big box or the small box. So that's basically you can get legendary items. So there is no direct way, it's just complete on luck. So you have to